If you're a patient with cracked, chipped teeth, implant is a great solution for you. Traditionally, the approach to replacing a missing tooth has been either to give patients something removable or to shave down adjacent teeth to hold the missing tooth in place. Implant allows you to avoid both of those things. It allows you to anchor the tooth in the bone, just very much like the natural tooth would be anchored into the bone, and then to restore the tooth back to its form and function so it looks healthy. It functions just like a natural tooth, where it can bite, you can chew, you can floss, you can smile with it just like you would with a natural tooth. And if it's done right, you won't be able to tell the difference between the implant and the natural tooth. When you choose a doctor, you want to choose a doctor who will give you options. There is not one single option for somebody. There are always more than one option. And here at Advanced Dentistry, we specialize in giving you options. We want to give you a permanent, healthy, strong smile to last you a lifetime.